And this is quite the quaint park. This is near the little chapel where this other monument is of a conquistador and some virgin or whatever. And this is where the Hotel Mariscal is, and you got that little chapel over there. And I'm eating my ice cream. It's good. So good. And they got a little type of stuff over there, little tents and whatever, where they're selling stuff. Yeah, la raza antioqueña en el centenario a su egregio fundador. Something about the Antioqueñan race and blah blah blah. If you're interested in it, just come and watch it yourself. Look at it. I'm gonna sit down in a moment over here, but I'm showing you this nice little park here. It's very refreshing and very beautiful, even on a hot day. Right now it's just very warm but not hot, and they got all kinds of things here that they're selling. So if you're interested in buying some stuff, they got all these little stands here and they're selling their thing. This is not the one with the candy was the other one, but they got those things over there, las mochilas and the things that are typical of the Colombians to wear, to carry, like some light stuff in it, like a laid back backpacker. So wow, this is very nice. I'm gonna sit down one of these little park benches, not that one because that one looks a little bit out of order there, but it's cool. And look, they got all over, they got these poems that Jorge Robledo wrote. One is called Fatigue, La Fatiga. And it says, Ya no te quiero tanto, now I don't love you that much. Little by little, you killed my anxiety of your love, of your affection. The tormented soul of that crazy man goes back again to the soul of a child, and etc, etc. I'm a translator, but I just don't want to translate it. I'm off today. So I just translated the little part for the romantic poet. So I'm gonna sit down right here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I am freaking crazy happy here. And I'm gonna sit back and chill and finish my ice cream. Bye bye, y'all. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you about the temperature here so you can dress accordingly. I didn't. I'm wearing jeans, I forgot. Temperature here hovers between 85 to 92 degrees during the year. Lows around 68 to 73 degrees for nighttime lows, so keep that in mind. Some days can be quite hot if you like that, and I do. So this is the area here where people, this is the more touristy area. Battery power is almost down. So I'm gonna show you the last hotel. This place you can buy a lot of cheap stuff here to eat and stuff like that, and tangerine juice in a bottle for like $2, less than $2. A nice like liter of OJ or of tangerine juice or even grape juice. And this is the little thing I was going to show you, and that's the hotel. It's not cheap, it's a very nice hotel. It's called Hotel Mariscal Robledo. And then you got this thing here that I was showing you, the artesanos y fruteros, the handicraft people, the people that work with handicrafts and fruits. And they say that you gotta keep your distance and everything. And just take a look at it before my battery power runs out. And you got all these kinds of things that you can buy here. Some things made in leather, ponchos, these type of bags. And you see all the colors for women. And some hats, some sunglasses. And a lot of these kind of things that you can take home with you. And then here's the candy stuff. The sweet stuff is right here. All the sweets. Honey, natural honey. These cocadas or whatever they call them, nice coconut cookies, gracias. And coconut cookies made of coconut and tamarind and all of that, tamarind, and all kinds of sweets and everything, arequipe, milk caramel. So just check it out. They got a lot of sweets here that you like in Totuma. This is called the Totuma stuff. And you have the dulce de Miguelucho and whatever, and different kind of little sweets, all kinds of stuff that you can really get and enjoy while you're here in Santa Fe de Antioquia, in the famous Pinono cake. My mom used to make that when I was a kid in South Carolina. That's here, typical of Antioquia. So just check it out. The ponchos, los ponchos, Colombian ponchos, not Mexican ponchos, but they have similarities. And some of them say Medellin or Colombia. So you could take something home as a reminder, as a souvenir. There are many things that you could just check out. All kinds of good stuff, and even little kind of like kangaroo pouches and all of that. Or whatever they call these things these days, I forgot, I don't know. And look at the beautiful little dog. Hi, little doggy. Oh, beautiful little dog there. Okay, guys. Until the battery runs out, I'm going to keep on filming and showing. So then I'll change the battery, because this is the hotel I was telling you about, Mariscal Robledo. And I think it's open. And it's not a cheap hotel. I think it's got air conditioning, but I think it's closed right now. I think people are just staying at Airbnb places here, because the hotels are still kind of like closed in. They have this map right here so you can check out where you want to go and all of that. Here we got Viva Colombia and Viva Antioquia. The Antioquia flag is green and white, and the Colombian flag is yellow, blue, and red. And let's see what else we see. Keep on walking, keep on trucking, keep on jamming. Cauca River's down over there, as you can see. Look at this nice thing we're walking under. These vines, these kind of creepers. And that's the hotel, that's the inside of the hotel, so I think it is open. And this is like a coffee shop, and that's the entrance through there. Oh, this is a restaurant, not the hotel, but a restaurant. So yeah, very nice. And they got all kinds of things inside. And remember, you get around in the tuk-tuks, and I don't know what the prices are, but I don't think they should be able to sucker you for a price. And let me take this thing down and show you a little bit more before the show is over with this battery. This is all Occidente, Western Antioquia. Cremas a 500 pesos. They sell ice cream there for 500 pesos. They sell tamarind pulps there too, and gardening stuff. And this is just a little neighborhood. And it says, Bienvenido al área turística sostenible. Welcome to the sustainable tourism area. Santa Fe de Antioquia, Pueblo Patrimonio. So you got all of that there. And then that way is the town square, about 3 blocks over. And this is just a regular neighborhood down this way. Well, let's go exploring. Let's explore. We're not here just to see the town. Look at the old cobblestone on the walls and everything. Wow, nice. Let's go see down here. Look at this, somebody's private home there. Look at that beautiful entrance. I gotta tell you, that people are living large here. Nice, warm weather. I wouldn't want to be riding my motorbike down this thing on a wet day. My bike would just slip and slide, and I would break my ass. Pardon my French. Look at this. This is also beautiful. Look at this. Wow, very nice. And this is just, you can come and explore around here from wherever you're staying, and just enjoy the sights. Then you got these simple homes. Not everybody has a very nice home. And look at this. I mean, these are common folk that live around here. Common folk in the little neighborhoods. Some houses in there, some apartment buildings, not buildings, apartments, and everything, and all that good stuff. And wow, look at this color here, this orangish color. And this is off the tourist path right here. You can always go and explore if you want to. And the river somewhere down that way. And I'm gonna walk this way because there's another way I can go up. So I'll just make this video a lot longer than I planned to. I just got this nice ice cream cone right there behind me at that place. It's right next to the church, just so you know where it is. This is $1.20, $1.20. 2 scoops, big scoops. Frutos del Rojo and tangerine in the little cone. Now I'm gonna enjoy it. Talk to you guys later. Wait a minute, I have to mess with you. Look at this. So delicious. Yummy, yummy. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit of the Hotel Santa Barbara Colonial here in Santa Fe de Antioquia. It looks very nice. Very nice. They have a swimming pool. Very nice layout. If you want to stay here in Santa Fe de Antioquia, just look at it. It looks beautiful, very nice, very awesome. I recommend it. It looks good. I don't know what the rooms are like, but it looks quiet and quaint, and wow. What do you think? What do you think? It's right here, right down the street from Santa Barbara Church, and the park, the main park, is only 2 blocks away, and you got the Santa Barbara little park right over there. Let me show you. Just before I go off, let me just show you. I was about to leave. I was leaving town, and then I saw that, and I remember that I saw that hotel before a year and a half ago, and so recommend it to you guys. Travel tips, baby. Enjoy the ride, enjoy life. You see the main church is over there. You see the cross kind of on the top of that little roof over there where it says La Comedia, and there you see the cross on the top. And this is Parque Santa Barbara here, and all very colonial. Look, cobbled streets, cobblestone streets. And then here we have the Santa Barbara Church, and it says this is older than the other one. So time to go because the traffic cops are coming now. I don't want to get hit up for a ticket.